TikTok is about to be banned in the United States. No, bro, TikTok is not going anywhere. Let me give you guys the breaking news.
Just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
So welcome to another episode of Honesty 101 on the Obicrypto network. And today I want to share with you guys some certain important things about life. First of all, the reason why I created this channel is not because I want to grow big or I want to become the next biggest YouTuber and all of that. That is not the primary purpose of setting up this channel, even though I would love that. But however, the basic reason why I created this channel is because I want to open the eyes of Africans. You understand? I want to open the eyes of Africans to the reality that is happening across the world that a lot of people or our government or our big corporations are not even talking about. What? And that is why I created this channel, because I want to draw you guys' minds to reality. For those of you who want to learn, you can follow and learn. If you feel you are too big, or you feel you are too educated, or you feel that you are too wise, or you feel that I am too small to educate you or to add something to you, feel free to leave the platform, leave the channel. But if you want to learn, because one advice I learned from my parents is that listen to even the mad people on the street, because even them, they have their own story to tell. And there is a lot you can learn from everybody's story. It doesn't matter where the story is coming from. There is a lot you can learn about life and the experience. What I'm about to say here is I want to let you understand that it is very, very important and very paramount that you learn for yourself. Do you understand? And build yourself with the capability of how to beat the rich at the game of money and the game of success.
Nice.
And when I say the rich, I'm not just talking about those people who, the millionaires and the billionaires in the society, just the rich people. I'm talking about both the government. You must learn how to beat these people in the game of money. Do you understand? Getting rich is like a ladder. And if you do not know how to hold yourself tight and climb that ladder, you will never get to the top of the roof. Before you go anywhere, they will hit you down. Because the world we live in today, my brother, the world is not designed for you to be successful. In fact, it was said somewhere in the Bible, right? Jesus Christ said that it will be easier for a camel to pass through the eyes of a needle than for the rich man to go to heaven. What is the message there? But the same Bible again, in another verse, in another chapter, also said that the thought of God, that God said that his thoughts for you and I are of good and not of evil. Damn! I don't understand, but I'm not about to raise any argument on that. But the point I'm trying to make here is you must understand that if you want to be successful in this life, right, you must stand up to yourself, have your own belief. Do you understand? Have your own narrative. You cannot just be a human being, most importantly when you're a man, and you don't have your own narrative that, okay, this is how things should be done, I must do it that way. Whether people likes it or not, I must do it this way. I don't care what is trending, I want to create my own path. Do you understand? That is how any man should be thinking. You don't throw yourself out there and live at the mercy of life. Whatever life throws at you, you take it as you see it. No, bro. If you do that, that means you are what I call follow come. You came to this world with other people. You didn't come for your own. If you want to come on your own, you must be someone with a narrative of your own. And that's the reason why I've been trying to teach you guys how to beat the rich at their game. Now, let me expand more on the reason why you're watching this video today. A lot of you have heard about TikTok is about to be banned in the United States. No, bro, TikTok is not going anywhere. Let me give you guys the breaking news. Are you aware that TikTok right now as we speak, because of the planned ban of TikTok in the United States, TikTok has gone behind closed door. They have registered a new company. They have developed a new app that is registered and domiciled in the United States. Now, if the US Congress progresses to the extent that TikTok is actually banned in the US, all that TikTok is just, the only thing they will do, they will migrate all the data, right, from this present TikTok app in the United States. They will migrate it to that other new app, and Americans will continue their business with TikTok. Although the name of that new app It's not TikTok. It will be revealed very soon. For now, it has not been revealed. But information we have gotten from behind the closed doors is that this guy, oh my God, these guys, the TikTok guys, have already developed another app, similar 100% copycat of TikTok. Once the main TikTok app is banned from the US, they will just migrate the database to that other app. Americans will continue their content creation. Because mind you, this TikTok that you and I are using today is not available in China. Are you aware of that? They have a different app. They have a different name for it in China. It is not called TikTok because TikTok is also not allowed in China. Do you understand? But they have a different app that Chinese people are using as their own TikTok. And that app is the database. That app is linked to this same TikTok that you and I are using today. I don't know if you are getting what is happening. Now, why am I giving you this information? You might be wondering how is this related to crypto? My brother, the essence of this my video today is to let you understand that you must know how to fight for yourself, especially in the game of money. In the game of success, you must learn how to defend and how to fight for yourself. Otherwise, they will pull you down the ladder and nobody will take a second guess or look at you for the second time. You must also always learn how to beat the rich at their game. Remember, I said in one of my videos that the easiest way to beat the rich at their game is not to do what they are saying, but to do what they are doing. Do you understand? The rich man is telling you that education is the key. Education is the key. You are sending your own children to school in the local school here, but that same rich man is sending his own child to school abroad. Yes, education is the key, but by the time his son or daughter who has gone abroad to study, by the time they return, and your own children who studied here in the local school, who do you think will get the job? Is it your children who graduated from a local school, or the children of the rich who came all the way from abroad? Of course, you know what I'm talking about. So, learn to beat the rich at their game. Always look at what are they doing behind closed doors, not what they are saying, because they will always come, like I told you before, that there are two types of information, right? There is information for the classes and there is information for the masses. The rich are the classes because they have the class in the society. They are the one, they cook the information. They are the one that controls what kind of information you can have access to. Do you understand? Like, for example, I'll give you an example right now. If the central bank of your country has just printed new money, will you know? How would you find out that, oh, these guys are minting new currencies, and because they are minting new money, what will happen? Inflation will rise, and by the time inflation rises, what will happen? The cost of goods will also rise. Are you not surprised that the naira is beating the dollars, but the cost of goods in the market is not dropping? Have you ever sat down to wonder what is happening and what is actually beating the price of dollar down? Those information are information for the classes, and if you do not belong to the classes, you will not know. And you only go and be shouting at the market people that they are the ones who are greedy. It will not be, poor people fighting poor people, and that is what the rich want. By the time you poor people were fighting each other, and you're distracted with the fight between each other, they are the upper echelon. They are packing money and they are loading up their bags. By the time reality now dawns on you and you stop fighting each other, by the time you come, they are so rich that you cannot even penetrate them anymore. So you must learn how to beat the rich at their game. Not just the rich within your immediate society or your country. It could be the rich as far away in other countries and other foreign lands. Do you understand? So power is very important. Information is very important. And you must learn who you follow. They say, show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. It depends on the kind of friends you have. Are you following the kind of friends that grew up in the same society that you grew up from, who cannot add anything to your financial well-being or to your intellectual capacity? Or you want to look for those who have traveled far and wide above you, those who have studied things you do not understand, like cryptocurrency, computer software engineering, technology. Bro, in the next 25 years, 95% of everything in this world will be run by technology. You can't fight it. So it's up to you to position yourself now or you sit down and wait for whatever nature brings. You take it as you see it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Obicrypto, and I want to thank you for your time for watching this video. Please share the video, like and comment. Let me know what you have in mind. Thank you, and see you in the next one.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.